cut a cord for this, 10 feet long, and then cut 8 cords 8 feet long and place them on this cord with a lark's head knot, and then we're gonna do 1 square knot across. Okay, I added a little space in here just because this is gonna be super loose, and I think it'll look nice when you go and add in the second row. So you're gonna skip over 2 on each end, and then square knot here, square knot here, square knot here. And then you'll just continue to do that as you go down. Take out 2, move in, and do square knots. Okay, here we are going to do a reverse square knot. So instead of doing this to do the square knot, you're going to use the inside as the outside. So you take the inside, do that there, and then do the square knot. And we're going to do this very loosely, and then do another one. Make the inside the outside, just like that. And we'll secure it. So there we have it. And now we are going to start a triangle. So take this and do the half hitch through and just leave 2 cords out. So do a half hitch this way. So do that, this. And then I'm going to start this side just to keep it even. You want it to look loose, but you also want it to be even. So that is even. And now do this one, next one over. So just remember, this is your lead cord here, and this is the lead cord there. And you'll do half hitch with the remaining 3 on this side. Wait, I forgot something. Before you do the other half hitch, go ahead and do a square knot here. All right, so you're doing a square knot there. Okay, and now you will do a half hitch here. There we go. And then half hitch here. Wondering if can you hear my neighbors having a party? I don't know if you can hear it. What's that? Okay, so that's still the lead cord, and now we want to take this and scoot that back, and now we're gonna do a square knot here. Okay. All right, move over, half hitch. There we go. And half inch here. And now we will use, so now you have 2 cords that will go behind, and we'll bring the 3rd cord to do the square knot there. It's a little tricky. It's loose and tight at the same time, so that's kind of a tricky combination. All right, so now we'll move those cords back. So now we will be doing the final edge of the diamond half hitch. So always keep your lead cords. Now do half hitch here. There. Okay. And now last one here. And here. And then we'll use these to do the square knot there. Looks like that should be up higher. There we go, that's better. So this. Okay. Okay, so for the bottom part, you can flip it over this way. Just make sure these are all straight. And you'll start with taking this one and go ahead and do the half hitch over here. That. And then you'll just do that to the center and do this one to there. Okay, so I did that. I ended up doing the last half hitch here just to close that. And now I'm going to do 2 reverse square knots here. Okay, for any string that is not touching the floor, I went and put a capuchin knot in it, and now I'm going to trim the end. Okay, so the knots are trimmed, and I think I'm just going to add a few more along. I'm not going to go up to the top here, but just along the bottom here, I'm going to add some more knots. Okay, I added the knots and trimmed the ends. This is for a wedding. You could even add in some greenery on the end there. I think that looks really beautiful.